In this video, I am going to show you how to use video chat vision on GPT-4o. For this, you need to follow these steps. GPT-4o does not currently offer direct video chat functionality like a traditional video conferencing platform. However, it has a feature called Vision that utilizes image interaction during conversations. So, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Upload an image. Initiate a chat with ChatGPT-4o and upload an image you want to discuss. This can be a screenshot, photo, or any visual content. Step number 2. Analysis by ChatGPT-4o. Once uploaded, ChatGPT-4o will analyze the image and provide relevant information. Here are some possible analysis options. Scene description. It can describe what's happening in the image. Object recognition. It can identify objects, people, or animals within the image. Caption generation. It can create captions describing the image. Storytelling. It can even generate a narrative based on the image content. Step number 3. Real-time interaction. You can ask questions related to the image. ChatGPT-4o will answer your question about the objects, scene, or anything else depicted in the image. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.